We put this one up. Just so everyone knows, we actually put this one up.
Okay, I don't need to say nothing now.
Also, guys, name of the beat. Da-dum dum da-dum dum da-dum.
Okay, we're here to talk about the poster, and
Dum dum
you're
da-dum
humming that.
dum dum.
Anyways, guys, yes, like Rex has said, we just did a bunch of posters and we put a bunch of these up. Didn't we?
Bring him home.
I agree.
Yes, bring him home.
He is Rodney, the one who refused to come with us yesterday.
Dum dum da-dum dum dum.
But anyways, yeah, so just let everybody know we are postering and we got this up now. And we're going to get ready to go in because it's getting dark out. So, yeah, anyways.
I want cookies.
Anyways, we're going to go for now and we'll talk to everybody later.